If you think const is just a linter suggestion, this video will change your mind. It's one word, but it means 0 rebuilds. One keyword is all it takes for Flutter to either completely ignore your UI or waste time rebuilding it 60 times a second. These two lines look almost identical, but the first one forces an evaluation every frame. The second one tells Flutter, don't even look at this subtree. I used to dismiss those little warnings. I thought it was just a linter rule to make my code look nicer, and I'd add it just to make the warning go away without actually understanding what it does. Then I profiled my app. I had a list with 50 items. When 2 of them changed, it performed 48 wasted rebuilds every single frame. Adding const to the static items changed that immediately. To understand why, let's keep building our Flutter construction site. Every day, the foreman receives new blueprints for the building. Normally, he has to compare every page with yesterday's version. He looks at every detail, asking, has this room changed? Has that wall moved? But some pages have a gold stamp, sealed, exactly as before. When the foreman sees that stamp, he doesn't even open the page. He knows it's identical, so he skips the inspection. That stamp is the const keyword. When you use const, Dart canonicalizes the widget at compile time. It means these aren't just identical blueprints. They occupy the exact same address in memory. During a rebuild, Flutter literally checks if the old widget and new widget are identical. If they are the same object, it completely skips the evaluation. No build, no diff, no layout, no paint. Because it's the exact same object, Flutter instantly short-circuits the entire subtree. It knows that none of the children could have possibly changed. Let's look at a live example. Without const, every time our parent widget updates, you can see the console flooding with rebuilds for the child. But add that const keyword, and silence. The child builds exactly once, and 0 times after that. It's a massive performance win. The analogy helps, but const isn't a silver bullet. Here is where the analogy breaks, and where you need a reality check. First, const only matters when the parent rebuilds. If your parent widget is static and never updates, const does absolutely nothing. Second, you can't use const if there are runtime dependencies. You cannot stamp a blueprint sealed if the name of the room changes every day based on user input. Third, inherited widgets pierce the seal. If you depend on theme.ofContext and the theme changes, the site rules changed. Even stamped blueprints must be re-evaluated. Remember, same stamp, skip the inspection. The const keyword is not a suggestion, it is a skip button. Now you know const skips subtrees, but it breaks if you use context. So what exactly is context? It's not just a parameter, it's the foreman himself. Let's uncover BuildContext in the next episode.